Hello friends, today I'll show you how to run lead generation ad in TikTok using TikTok Business Manager ads account. Okay, first you have to log in your Business Manager account, then add account, then come to the campaign manager, click here, then come to click lead generation. Okay, then click campaign name, lead generation test. You can write here anything, then category. So if you want any categories, you can click here housing category. Okay, or anything else, or you can uh, if you don't want any category, leave it, just uncheck it. Okay, so I will select a category, housing category, and go to continue. Same process, everything is same. My last ad, you see, I show you uh, community increasing in TikTok. So let us this one is lead and test purpose. Okay, so you can placement any higher. Okay, so creative type automatic, creative you cannot uncheck it please. Tagline details, location you can keep here any location, so I will use only Canada and USA, United States. Okay, then I will select a language, English. You can use multi-language. So I have no audience right now, so I will, this one is optional area. So behavior, what kind of behavior in your audience? Maybe I am housing, so household product. Okay, I'll select this household product, then video interaction, hostel and comment. You can select all or once for 7 days. Okay, followed profile, or you can select both, so I used only followed. Okay, family and select here. I also can target any device, Android or iOS. Okay, so I am targeting all both. So here I can type the network connection, device model as, so I'll target all. Okay, then carriers, so target all. Daily budget, you can keep daily budget or lifetime budget. Okay, daily budget $30. Okay, run ad group with the date range. Okay, from here so I will keep it for 7 days. Okay, okay, all day or specific time, I will select only this area, but this midnight area, this one people are sleeping. Okay, so lowest cast cop, cat lead. So no, I will use the lowest cast cop. Okay, then uh, then I'll go to next. Okay, you have to find a category here. Okay, beauty and fashion, and then selected. I clicked next, then it will go to the next. It takes maybe some times. Okay, here you can write its name here. Okay, uh, first time and date showing. Okay, then use TikTok account deliver by a Spark ad. Deliver your Spark ad customer profiling is okay. So I'm clicking here, but so I can, when I click the Spark ad, I can use uh, my account or use another account. So I don't want this right now. So display name, set a custom identity. So what kind of ads it, by what kind of leads you want, you can keep here anything. I am only a lead ads. Sorry for background noise. Actually, too much noise come from. So single video ad format. You can see that format here. Okay, upload your video. If you have any video in your you created, then you will upload from here. So I am uploading. Wait, I'm just upload. Then click upload. Okay, then I will click this one. See, when upload complete, this ad will show here. You can use a custom thumbnail as your wish. I cannot use. Then I will write a text. When I write a text, this area will sense. See, I'll see. Let's add the guide. Yes, you can write a IKC text here. Okay. Then this is optional. I will not recommended it. And call to action button. What kind of action button you can edit here. Okay, or you can standard. When I select the standard, it will you can select only one. Okay, so you can select only one, but if you select the dynamic, it will sense automatically from every ad. Sometimes it show learn more, sometimes it show view more. Okay, so this all of this button will show in every ad. Okay, then you can keep this one only. Click this start. You can remove this, remove this, remove this. You can click 3 or more or all as you want. Okay, then you can confirm it. Okay, or if you want only one button, you can select standard. So I am selecting the dynamic. Then I will click here and create a form. Okay, create a form. So I'll create from here. Click here. So then you can see here two from advanced from a classic from. So you can select any ones. Okay, but I select the classic from because I need name, email, contact number. That's it. Okay, then I will confirm it. Okay, then what kind of language you can select from here. Okay, you can from configuration. Okay, then from type uh, most volume. Okay, I will keep this most volume. Then introduction, you can set a logo here. Okay, I have no logo right. Okay, I uploaded the logo here. Just easy, just click here and upload your, it will go your folder. And display name, you can keep here your organization or institute name. Okay, maybe tested, test ads for decode IT hub ICD. Okay, this ad will show here. Then headline, you can write some brief. I just copied the headline here. This headline will show here. Okay, maybe display number and headlight are different from each other, but I'll keep the same name. Then question, what kind of question you want? Question 1, email, question name, and you can add from here personal information, use input, demography, contact information, address, country. So I'll recommended phone number, uh, and I'll use user info, um, last name, and I'll add demography, gender. Okay, this is the from. Okay, then if you want add a custom question, you can add here. Okay, so question, uh, do you have any website? Do you have any website? Okay, they will answer here. You can add more questions. I'll keep only one. Then privacy, custom record, disclaimer. You can write your company name. Company name maybe D code CO D I T hub SUB. Okay, record policy, decode ID hub. Okay, you can write here the user policies. So I am writing here PRIVECY policy, POLICY. Okay, decode hub, write ID policy. Or you can use custom disclaimer, terms and condition. From here add constant interior disclaimer. Okay, or contest required things. So I am just thank you screen. So when they fill up the form after submitting, they will show this message, thank you for your response, tap the button below, you learn. Okay, so thank you. This one is showing here. Okay, then button text, thank you. Button text, view more, VIEWMORE, view more. Okay, see here. Then website link, FATEEWWA.co. Okay, then this form is completed. Please. Okay, so we have to use HTTP. See, right now is okay. Then I will create complete. It will take few times. See, I got some warning. Maybe I have a problem with some program. Please enter your purpose. Include the purpose of the form. You collecting leads from my okay. Then privacy policy. Here is the problem. Please provide a valid URL business. So we have to input here the link. Okay, so okay, then I'll save to complete. Okay, it's completed. So this form will show your videos. Okay. Okay, here is the form. Okay, you can see here the privacy policy, everything. Thank you page. Okay, then will, if you have any tracking ID, so you can use here. So I will not use here. So then third party, this is optional area, you can use or not. Then I will click and submit. That is the leads ads. It's completed. Okay, so I hope you understand from this side, and if you have any problem, just comment below, I will reply. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel and follow my Facebook page. Thank you.